Okay. Chalo now. Up till who will tell me up till what we have completed in our last lecture?
So exercise 3.1 completed.
3.1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर एक्सरसाइज 3.1 में जो लास्ट में आपने बोला था ना कि मैथ द फॉलोइंग में प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, लेकिन
Yes.
सर फेसबुक पे तो एक भी वो नहीं है, क्या कहते हैं, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक नहीं है।
टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, ये जो पीडीएफ था ना उसमें था, इसलिए बोला मैं टेक्स्ट बुक में रिफर कर लेना. ठीक है.
ओके
टेक्स्ट
सर।
बुक में टेक्स्ट बुक में प्रिंटिंग एरर नहीं है. इट्स नॉट एनी एरर. देयर इज नो एरर इन टेक्स्ट बुक. इट वाज
तो
ओनली
सर
इन
उसमें
द
से हम लिख
पीडीएफ.
सकते हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. Write that thing from textbook only. Okay.
सर चैप्टर 3 मेरे में नहीं आया था.
किसी में कोई क्या किधर नहीं आया था? किसी को मैंने भेजा नहीं है. You have to, I already informed you again and again, I'm not going to repeat this. You have to download the PDF, or you can refer a textbook from the bookstore, or you can have a app is there in Play Store. NCRT Mathematics Solutions. Okay, you will be getting all the things whatever we are doing in the class.
ओके सर.
Okay, beta. Chalo, exercise 3.2. Question number 1. We are going to start with exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Okay. Everyone is getting my screen to their screens.
यस
यस
सर।
सर.
Okay, great. Chalo. Now, who is going to read this?
Sir, can I ask
मैंने
some
रखू लगी सर।
Yes, Hassan Kapasi. Ask me
Yes,
first. Yes.
yes, sir. Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. What is
Okay.
the sum of any two? Option A, odd numbers. Option B, even numbers.
Okay. Now, what they are saying, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? Odd numbers are what? Odd and even to khabar pada na. Prime and composite are totally different. Let me
Yes.
tell you. Odd and even means what? Odd is 1, 3,
3.
5, 7, 9, 11. All the numbers are odd. And even is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It goes on, right? समझाई कि नहीं
यस सर।
समझा तू? Okay,
Yes.
very good. Now they are asking us what is the sum of two odd numbers. હવે કોઈ પણ બે odd numbers ને add કરો તો sum શું આવે આપણો? The answer will be always in
इवन नंबर।
even number. Very good. The answer will be always in even. And when we add two even numbers, again the answer will be what?
सर इट कैन बी इवन और इट कैन बी ऑड।
It can never be odd. It will be always even only. You can check out. બે even number ને એડ કરો તો ઓડ ક્યાંથી આવવાનો છે? 2
यस
plus
सर।
4 કરો તો 6 આવે, તો 6 even થાય કે odd થાય? 6 plus 4 કરો તો 10 આવે, 10 is odd or even? 6 plus 8 કરો તો 14 આવે, 14 is odd or even? 8 plus 10 કરો તો 18 આવે, 18 is odd or even? When you add any two even numbers, you will be resulted always even only. समझ पड़ी गई? When we add two odd numbers, બે odd numbers ने add करो, कोई पण બે odd numbers ने add करो, the answer will be always even. 1 plus 3 will be 4, 3 plus 5 will be 8, 5 plus 7 will be 12, 7 plus 9 will be 16, 9 plus 11 will be 20. Always the answer will be even, not an odd answer. Understood, boys?
यस सर।
So you have to write the complete sentence. આપણે ખાલી even word નથી લખવાનો. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? The sum of any two odd numbers will be resulted as even. Or we can say the sum of any two odd numbers will be even. Understood? Second statement. The sum of any two even numbers will be resulted as even. સમજાઈ ગયું કેવી રીતે લખવાનું ફેર બુકમાં?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Check the answer. See, along with example, it is given. The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. લખેલું છે? The examples are given. Sir, અહીંયા examples લખ્યા જો. Right?
Yes.
So 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. The same way, the sum of any two even number is an even number. 2 plus 4 will be 6. 6 plus 8 will be 14. Is that clear? Any doubt, boys?
Yes, sir. No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, chalo. Chalo, Ragib Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2, bachcha.
Okay, sir. Question 2. State whether the following statements are true or false.
Okay, read the first one.
Okay, sir. The sum of three odd numbers is even.
We have to give the remark as statement is true or false. એટલે TF છે. Are you getting? So we have to simply write. We don't have to give any reason or any description. We have to simply write whether the given statement is true or false. So first, the sum of three odd numbers is even.
No, sir.
Sum of three odd numbers. આપણે ખબર છે sum of any two odd numbers will be even. Right? કે આ બેને એડ કર્યું 1 plus 3, you are getting even answer. But 1 plus 3 plus 5 કરો, that means again the sum will be odd, not even. 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9. તો 3 વખત જો odd number એડ થાય તો આન્સર શું આવે?
Odd.
Odd. So the sum of three odd numbers is even. That is false.
False.
તમારે ક્રોસ નથી કરવાનું, તમારે false લખવાનું છે. એ તો સર અહીંયા ક્રોસ કરે છે. સેકન્ડ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ. અહદ
Yes,
છે
sir.
કે નથી? સેકન્ડ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ. રીડ ધ સેકન્ડ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ.
The sum of two odd number is one even number.
શું રીડ કરે? તો રીડ કરતા આવડે જ તને?
Sir,
ફરીથી
yes,
રીડ
sir.
કર.
The sum of two odd number and one even number is even.
The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. Yes or no? True or false?
No, sir, false.
Who gave this answer? False.
Sir, true.
Sir, it is true.
હમણાં false કોણ બોલ્યું એમ પૂછું છું ખાલી. The sum of two odd numbers. એટલે શું? 1 plus 3. Both are odd numbers. The answer is 4. The sum of two odd numbers and one even number. 4. The another even number, any even number you can take. 2. The answer will be always even. That is true. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Third statement.
Yes, sir.
Please read. Hassan, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, question 3. The product of three odd numbers is odd.
The product of three odd numbers is
Yes, sir.
odd.
True.
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 Sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Some number was D.
C.
C is true, yes. Product of any three odd numbers. Product means what? Multiply.
Sir, awesome.
Multiply. Product means what? We have to multiply. The product of any three odd numbers is odd. I'm sorry, it is wrong. It is false, not true. It is not compulsory. Wait a moment, it is true, huh? I'm so sorry. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Yes, The product of any three odd numbers will be always odd. Is that clear, boys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When do we get sum? Sum ક્યારે મળે આપણે?
Plus કરીએ
When
ત્યારે
plus
Difference ક્યારે મળે?
subtraction.
Then product ક્યારે મળે? Product. When do we get product?
multiply.
Yes. Chalo, question number D. Ahad, come back. Ahad,
Yes, sir.
question
If
number
an
D.
even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd.
If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient means what? You can pronounce that quotient also. For
Yes.
example, 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 will be written like this. 2 5s are 10.
Yes.
Are you getting? So this 5 is known as what? જે ઉપર divide થાય ને જે number થી, that is known as quotient. Or you can say quotient. Both the pronunciation is correct.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so what is the question? The appropriate question is, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient will be always odd. Quotient odd mouse hai.
Yes, true.
આ 10
No,
છે એટલે
sir,
12 ને
false.
કરો તો 2
False.
6 આ 12 નહીં થાય. તો અહીંયા quotient શું આવ્યો? even number ના આવી ગયો.
Yes.
So it is false. Always odd is false. I'm sorry. Sometimes it will be odd, I can understand. But always it is odd, that is false. Chalo, next question.
मैम परियानी शफीक
Haryani Safiq, please.
all prime number are odd, true या false?
તો તને આન્સર આપવાનો છે, તું મને ક્યાં ક્વેશ્ચન કરે? All prime numbers are odd.
True.
તો 2 શું છે? 2
False.
2 શું છે? 2 prime number નથી, તો 2 odd number છે. So all prime numbers are not odd because 2 is only the even prime number. Chalo, prime number do not have any factor.
False.
No, sir, false.
Prime number also has its own factor, 1 and the number itself. Yaad આવે છે?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And sum of two prime number is always even.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we take 7 and 7 or 5 or 7 and
Okay,
so it will be even.
even. So if I take 2 plus 3, then both are prime number.
Sir, it will be odd.
Is it even? So what is the question? Sum of two prime number is always even? Always is not even. Sorry. If you add 7 plus 2, you will get 9 as your answer. 7 is also prime number. 2 is also prime number.
Sir, if we add odd plus odd, so it will be even.
What is the question? Question, is it say that odd has to
No,
be
sir.
added? Bas, that's it. They said two prime number. Prime number માં 2 થી લઈને ઘણા બધા prime numbers આવે. એવું કીધું છે કે even prime number નો લેતા એમ. ચલો, 2 is only the even prime number.
Yes, sir.
False.
Sir, true.
Nonsense, false વાળો nonsense છોકરો કહેવાય. 2 is only the even prime number. 150 વખત મેં આ શીખડાયું. આ ચેપ્ટર સ્ટાર્ટ થયો નહીં પછી 150 times, more than 150 times I must have spoken that 2 is only the even prime number. All even numbers are composite numbers. All even numbers are composite numbers.
Sir, false. Sir, 2 is not composite number.
Very good. False. Because 2 is even number and that is not the composite number. So we cannot say all even number. Yeah, you can say all even number except 2 are composite number. So our statement was true થઈ જાય. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
last statement. The product of two even numbers is always even.
True.
Sir, true.
Question number 3. Chalo.
So can I
Who will
read
read?
Nakvira's question?
Yes, Nakvi Ragib.
Okay, sir. Number 3. The number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100.
What they are saying? 100 થી નીચે up to 100 means 100 સુધીમાં એવા કેટલી pairs છે જેમાં આમ rhyming numbers આવે છે 1331. Are you getting? And that rhyming numbers are as a prime number. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? 13 is prime
Yes.
number, 31 is prime number. See, the digits are used as 1 and 3. 1, 3 and 3, 1. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to write the pairs of that numbers up to 100. So can I say 1771,
Yes, sir.
1771?
Yes, sir.
Can I say 3773?
Yes, sir.
Can I say 7997?
Yes, sir.
So I got one pair,
Yes,
two
sir.
pair, three pair, four pair, up to 100.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. સમજાય છે.
See the answer. 1331 તો આપેલું તું જ તે. 1771, 3773, 97, sorry, 7997. The rhyming numbers are there 1771, 3773, 7997. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chala. Question number 4. Who will read?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, Hassan beta.
Yes, sir. Question number 4. Write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20.
We have to simply write the numbers separately. Very easy. Less than 20, less than 20, 20 સુધીના આપણે prime numbers અલગ બતાવવાના છે અને composite numbers અલગ બતાવવાના છે. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
We can easily do this, I think so. Prime
Yes.
numbers. What are the prime numbers?
2,
2, 3,
3,
5,
5,
7,
7, 9,
11. 9 is not a prime number.
yes,
13, 17, and 19. So up to 20 કીધેલું છે?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Composite numbers. Composite numbers will be 4, 6, 8, 9,
9,
10,
12,
12,
14,
14, 15,
16,
16, and 18. Sorry. Less than 20 થઈ ગયા બંને?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One is not a even number, sorry, prime number, one is not a composite number, right?
Okay, sir.
સમજાય છે? તો one નો તો કોઈ description આવે જ નહીં.
Yes.
Let us check the answer column. prime numbers and composite numbers less than 20. 2, 3, 5,
Yes.
7, 11, 13, 17, 19. We
Yes.
got the
Yes.
correct one. Composite
Yes.
4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. We got correct one here.
Yes.
Chalo. Next question. Question number 5. Who will read?
Sir, can I know question?
Yes.
Write the greatest prime number between 1 and 10.
Sir, it is 7.
7.
7.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
7.
Answer is 7. Chalo. Question number 6. આપણે
Sir,
ખાલી
can I?
7 આવી રીતે નથી લખવાનું હો બેટા. The greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. એવી
7.
રીતે લખવાનું છે. Answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Like this, જો. Okay?
Okay, sir.
ચલો.
Can I answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Express the following as the sum of two odds number. Option A 44, option B 36, option C 24, option D 18.
Okay. These are the four numbers which are even numbers given. આપણે ખબર જ છે કે આપણે કોઈ પણ રીતે એડ કરીએ તો આપણે આ નંબર આન્સર તરીકે લઈ આવી શકીએ, રાઈટ? બટ વોટ વી હેવ
Yes.
ટુ ડુ, વી હેવ ટુ ડુ by expression of the following sums to be added as two odd numbers. બે એવા odd numbers લેવાના છે. Odd means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9,
Yes.
11, 13, 15,
Yes. Yes.
17, all odd numbers, right?
Yes.
So બે એવા odd numbers ને એડ કરી અને 44 આન્સર લાવવાનો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આઈ કેન સે એવા તો કેટલા થયો? હું તો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું છું. Can I add 13 and 31? That will be forming your 44.
Sir,
Yes.
21 and 23 also we can do.
There are many, what I'm saying, there are many. There will be many formation to get 44. Even I can add 41 plus 3. Both are odd numbers. 41 plus 3. Both will be odd numbers to form 44. Are you getting what the content we have to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example 36, so 36 you have to add for example 11 plus 15, sorry 25 plus 11, you will be getting your 36, both the odd numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય
For
છે?
example,
31 plus 5,
yes, sir.
31 plus 5.
Yes, sir.
So will you be able to do this? 24, how
Yes.
you will get 24? 11 plus 13, you will get 24.
Yes, sir.
11 plus 13, 23
Yes.
plus 1, both are odd numbers, you are getting 24. There are many formation, there is no need of describing one or two. So but in your fair book you have to describe only one things. આપણે કાંઈ વધારે નથી લખવાના, એક ફોર્મેશન જ બતાવવાના છે.
Sir,
Have
9
you got
plus 9
18?
is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18.
Yes, 9 plus 9 is 18. Very good. 11 plus 7 is 18. બરાબર ને કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ચલો question number 7. First do one thing, if you want you can have a screenshot of this from question number 1 to question number 6. Screenshot લઈ લ્યો. ચલો question 1 to question 6 સુધીનો screenshot લઈ લ્યો. Everyone, the answers.
સર લઈ લીધો.
Okay.
Taken.
Okay, boys. Chalo, question number 7. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read Raman Godda?
Yes.
Give three pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2.
Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Remark: 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. એના શું કહેવાય?
Twin prime.
Okay, chalo. Now,
Sir, first pair we can say 7 and 5.
wait. First, let me clear the content. I would like to say, who will tell me what do you mean by co-prime?
Sir, a number which is co-prime. Sir, number which is common number is only 1.
Common factors, common number nahi.
Yes, sir.
I gave you the example while I was teaching the factors. Common factors વખતે મેં તમને example આપ્યો હતો. 4 and 15 table. The factors of 4 are what? 1, 2 and 4. Factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So we can, as we have to find the common factor, the common factor is only 1. 1 is common for both. When any two numbers have only a common factor as 1, there is no other number which is common as a factor, that two number are said to be co-prime to each other. याद आयु कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So now, who will tell me about twin prime? Twin prime. Twin prime means what? Twin prime means two prime numbers has a difference of 2. For example, 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 both are prime numbers, right? And they are getting difference as 2. સમજાય છે? When two prime numbers getting difference of 2, that two prime pairs are known as twin prime. What they are known as?
3.
What 3?
Twin prime, sorry, sir.
समझ पड़ी गई कि ना पड़ी गई बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes, sir, बड़ी सी.
पड़ी गई ना?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, બે પેર મળી પણ ગયા.
Chalo, let us come. First, main thing is not to get pairs of as an answer. Main thing is I want you to clear this. What do you mean by co-prime and what do you mean by twin prime? समझ पड़ी गई?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, now give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So can I say that 3 and 5 and 3 is one pair?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
By subtracting them, both of it, you will get your answer as 2. Then
Yes, sir.
7 and 5 will be the another pair
Yes, sir.
Yes,
whose
sir.
difference is 2. Can I say 13 and 11 is one pair?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This all numbers 5, 3, 7, 5, 13, 11 are said to be twin prime. What they are said to be?
Twin prime.
Twin primes. Why?
Twin prime.
Because their difference is 2. For that purpose, they are called as twin prime with each other. See the answer. 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13. Got it? As per our things only. समझाई थे क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir. समझाई गई.
चलो, question number 8. Question number 8. Who will read this?
Sir, can I answer?
Hassan, please.
Yes, sir. Question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? Option A 23, option B 51, option C 37, option D 26.
Who will give me this answer? Which of the following numbers are prime numbers? There are 4 numbers given. Out of that, which are the numbers which are prime numbers?
So can I say also?
Sir, can I
Yes?
say with the yes?
Sir, first 23 is prime number.
Okay, 23. Is that only prime number out of these 4?
Sir,
No, sir.
another is
Sir,
there.
37 is a prime number.
Very good, beta. 37 is also a prime number. 51, you can get 17 threes are 51. You have
Yes.
the factors of 51.
Yes.
2 up, 3, 5, 51. Yes, 17 threes are 51. You are getting. 26 also is a composite number.
Yes.
Prime numbers are 23 and 37.
7.
Any doubt here? Check the
No,
answer.
sir.
No, sir.
23 and 37 are prime numbers. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now next. I want a new child to read this question.
Sir, can I with the yes?
Bidda Ayaz will read the question. Chalo. Question number 9.
Yes, sir. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them.
What is the question? We have to write 7 consecutive. Consecutive એટલે line માં. 7
Yes.
consecutive composite number. હવે જો તમે for example કોઈ પણ 1 to 10 ની લાઈન લ્યો, 10 to 20 ની લાઈન લ્યો, 20 to 30 ની લાઈન લ્યો, કોઈ પણ લાઈન લ્યો, વચમાં prime numbers આવશે. Are you getting? But
Yes, sir.
there is one line in which you will be having 7 consecutive numbers, and in between that 7 consecutive composite numbers you will not be getting any prime numbers. સમજાય છે? તો 100 થી
Yes,
નીચે
sir.
એવા કયા 7 digits છે જેની વચમાં prime numbers નથી આવતો? That is what the question is. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. 100 થી નીચેના એવા કયા 7 numbers છે in which there is no prime numbers between them?
Sir, means like between like example 2 and 15.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96 are the 7 numbers in between there are no prime numbers. 90 to 96, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the 7 numbers. These are the 7 consecutive numbers. These are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. આની સિવાય બીજા કોઈ 100 થી નીચે એવા 7 નંબર્સ નથી જે લાઈનમાં આવતા હોય જેની વચમાં પ્રાઇમ નંબર્સ ન આવતા હોય. Are you getting? So after 96 you will get a
Yes.
prime number 97. સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
So these are the
98.
7 numbers. These are the 7 numbers in sequence which are called as a composite numbers and that are less than 100. Let us check the answer. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Can you see here? Answer number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question number 10.
So can I answer?
I want new child beta. Wait a moment.
Sir, with the yes.
Second Nafir Age Basan.
તમે ત્રણે ક્વેશ્ચન રીડ કર્યા. Who else?
Pariani Mohammed Shafiq.
હા, પરિયાની આજે નથી આવ્યો. ચલ લે પરિયાની come up. Question number
Yes,
10.
Expense each of the
Expense
following
છે આ expense છે પરિયાની.
expenses.
Expenses છે બરાબર રીડ કર. 6th સ્ટેન્ડર્ડ માં આવ્યો.
Express.
હા,
Express each of the following number as the sum of three odd prime.
what are the numbers given here? 21, 31, 53, 61.
21,
All the odd
31.
numbers are given. See, બધા odd numbers આપેલા છે. Yes or no? Now they
Yes,
want
sir.
to, they want,
Yes,
આમાં
sir.
કેવું હતું કે ભાઈ ઓલા આપણે આની પહેલાનો જે ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો, 2 odd numbers એડ કરવાથી even numbers આપણે મેળવતા હતા, યાદ છે?
Yes, sir.
And in that, all the even numbers were given. Now in this, all the odd numbers are given. Now they want what? They want to add 3 prime numbers. They want to add what? The sum of 3 odd primes. એટલે 2 ને નહીં લેવાનો. 2 is prime number, but that is even. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
3 odd primes ને add કરીને આપણે આનો total મેળવવાનો છે. Any doubt here? For example, first I can say, 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 11 is a prime number. Do I got my 21?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And it is
સમજ
prime.
પડી ગઈ શું કરવાનું છે?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way, add these 3 primes, 3 odd primes, and get 31. Same way 53. Same way 61. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt.
You can have the answer.
No doubt.
Okay, we are going to continue from question number 11 in our next lecture. Okay, question
sir.
11, 12, and then we will move to the new exercise in our next lecture. But you can have a photograph for this answer column up to 12.
Yes.
12 સુધીનો ફોટો લઈ લ્યો બેટા. 6 સુધીનો લઈ લીધું ને, from 7 to 12 you have the photograph of this.
Yes, sir. We taken.
Taken, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
chalo.
sir.
Your homework to do all these sums one time in your rough book, as well as your things to be ready in your fair book up to exercise 3.2, question number 10, what we did in the class. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Chalo, do take
Yes,
care
sir,
of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your next 3 lectures. Have a nice time, boys.
Bye, sir. Bye. Have a nice
Bye bye.
day.
Khuda Hafiz,
sir.
everyone.
Bye.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.